Okay, Assalamualaikum student. Untuk tutorial ni saya akan tunjukkan bagaimana cara untuk kita buat login page bagi sistem kita. I'm going to show you the very simple way on how to create the login page. If you want to have a advanced login page, I think you can Google it or just go to YouTube channel and just type the login page using the PHP, and then you can get the tutorial there. So for these lessons, what I need you to do, you have to open back your epg.com and go back to your accounts. So this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, this is examples. When I log in to my page, you will automatically go to this page, which is the login. So you have to register first before you have to log in, because we need to have the users in the database so that it will allow you to allow you to access the system. So let's say I click here to register and then just put like alright, this is the new users, let's say. Right, and then I just click register. Once your registration is successful, you will come up with this message. You are registered successfully, and just click back the login page and then log in with your username and the passwords. So once you click login, you will go to your main page. So this is your main page, which is you can go through all the records and so on, right? And then you also, okay, this one I haven't have the image, the page, sorry, the page is not found. All right, so okay, if you want to log out, just click the logout button. You will go back to the username. So in order for you to do this, right, what I need you to do, first thing first, you have to open your control panel. Okay, and then I need you to add one more table called users. Just go to your Phpmyadmin. Okay, and then go to your database. Alright, and then okay, this is the table that I create. So for those who want to create a new table, just click here, type the name of the tables, and then click go. So I'll recreate the user tables. So this is the structure of the tables. We need to have the ID, integers. This is auto increment, so means that you have to click the AI. The second field is a username. The type is a varchar 50, email varchar 50, password varchar 50, and turn date is the date and time. Alright, I need you to create this one first and make sure that turn date is a current stamp, because it will give the date automatically once you enter the record. So for example, okay, the date will be give you automatically, and the password is it will hidden the real password so that you cannot see the real password, right? Because we use the coding inside the PHP later on. Okay, so you have to do this one first. Okay, after that, okay, this one you can close. Right, need you to go to. I will give you the file later. Then you have to edit according to your page, right? Alright, so there is a few files that you have to upload, download for me, and then upload to your file managers. Alright, so I think there is a 4 files. Okay, the first file that you have to upload is this one. This is a authentication file. So apa yang ada dalam ni? So let me show the file. Alright, in authentication PHP, this file will allow you to make sure that when you go to the website, it will direct you to go to the login page first. Right? So this is the things. So the username here is the username inside the tables. So this is a field. Okay, so this is the number 1. Number 2, you need to have index. Right, so you need to have this index. Later on I will give you the file, don't worry. So in this index, okay, you have to include this authentication PHP, right, the file that we already created before this, right. Then this one we have all the navigation, the menu, and then I just put this one. That's how you can see the welcome welcome word. Once the login is correct, then it's successful. Then you can get your name. Welcome your name, right? So this is the second one. The third one, you need to have the login page here, right? This is the login page, right? Okay, starting from here. Okay, this is only the CSS file. Okay, the username, right? This is the variable for the username. Is equivalent to the username, right? In your tables. This is a password from your tables, and then this is the coding that will create the password by symbols, meaning that you won't get the real password won't appear in the database, right? All right, and then so the header is locations is index, right? Okay, if you fail to input the correct password, this message will come up. User password is incorrect. So this is the form for logins, right? We have the username label here. This is the username text box, and then this is the password text box, and then this is submit button. And then you're going to have one registration links for those who are not in you haven't been the user, right? So you have to register first. So you need to have this register.php. And the third one, this one, register.php, right? The file that will display when you click the registration, right? So this is the form for the registrations, right? This is they will insert the file into the user table inside your database, all right? And then this is the form actually. Okay, done. And then we're going to have the last one, which is a logout. Once you log out, right? And they will destroy the session, meaning that we will end the sessions, and then we'll direct you to go back to the login page. So that's why once you have like this, click the data, click your URL, it will directly go uh, to the login page, right? So this is registered and so on. Okay, so try to do this one first, and then we have one more session regarding your database. I'm going to show you on how to create the SQL and also the relationship inside the Phpmyadmin, because this is required in your reports. You need to create a few SQL and then create it as a view, and then you have to include it in your report. That one later I will give you the tutorial. So please follow my tutorial first. Right guys, thank you.